Look what I got today. A 2.5 pound chuck roast. A roast beef. Fresh beef. Beef chuck pot roast. And I'm going to use my Go Wise pressure cooker, and I'm going to cut that in half and brown it up a little bit in olive oil. I'm going to add 1 quart of beef bone broth. And once I made Mississippi pot roast like this, you know, with the pepperoni peppers, and Michelle suggested that last night when I said I was going to use this, and she said, try pickles. She's seen it done with pickles. I'm here. With pickles and pickle juice. So I had a bunch of plastic spears, 4 of them, and I cut them up. And I'm going to put a cup of pickle juice in there too. Isn't that going to be good? And look what we got going on back here. We got so many things cooking right now. I'll show you. Got 2 slow cookers, 2 Kasori slow cookers. Got a Hot Logic going. I'm making bread across the room. I can't show you that right now. But we're having company today. And I just wanted to make this pot roast anyway. I didn't want to wait till later after the company leaves and they will eat this. Plus I'm starving right now. And we're going to make French dipped sandwiches at the end. Oh, I'm so hungry. My stomach's burning. Let me put this on saute mode right now. Get it warmed up. Put some olive oil in there. I know I have olive oil. Here it is. Just about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to use a small rack, real small, just to keep the meat off of the bottom. Real low, like 1/2 inch. About a tablespoon of olive oil in there. Let me cut this meat in half. Oh, and I'm going to use 2, 4, 6, 9 cloves of garlic. And cut that up and put that in there. A little bit of thyme because I love the flavor. Salt and pepper. And if you make this, you can add or subtract anything you like. I already made it with the pepperoni peppers. The Mississippi pot roast style. I love that. Made sandwiches out of that too, if I remember correctly. All right, let me get another cutting board. Cut that meat up. I'm going to go 90 minutes at high pressure and then natural release. That's getting warm. Let me cut this quick. Last night we were talking about using the 2-quart pressure cooker, but this meat is too big for that 2-quart. The kitchen's really full today. We're going to have a feast like you wouldn't believe. Oh, what she's making in there is like smoked chicken legs and rice in one of them. And I think chicken breast and pasta in another slow cooker. They've been up since 5 o'clock. I'll show you this inside here. Just brown it up a little bit. Browns up quick. Yeah. We don't want to cook it like this. We just want to braise it a little bit. Yeah, it's getting hot. All right. Let me cancel this mode. It's getting nice and brown. I'm going to put the little rack in the bottom. Just a small rack. Just to keep it off the bottom a little bit. See in there? Let me cut up my garlic quick. What did you get at the store? My rolls?
Got your rolls and some provolone slices.
Oh yeah, good. I'm so hungry right now. What are you cooking back there? In chicken legs and thin rice and chicken breasts and what?
Want a peek of it?
Yeah, well, I'm cutting this up.
Okay. This one is smoked chicken legs over rice.
Yeah.
And all I did was use a little broth, bone broth on that.
And over there?
And over here we have more chicken thighs. And on this one I used little baby potatoes.
Oh, that's right. There's potatoes in there.
Can you see them?
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, so that's nice.
Making bread. I had to move the Hot Logic because I needed another outlet. Okay. Let me add my garlic and juice here. Beef broth.
I got a nice
Oh, what do you got there?
pack of baby Bella mushrooms.
Yeah, I'll take maybe one of those, I think. It's so big.
Well, they're portobello slider size. They'll shrink, but would you like to cut them or would you like them
I
whole?
would like just one and cut it up.
Okay, I'll get it ready for you. I'll wash it.
All right. There's the bone broth. What's the thing with bone broth? Why can't it just be broth or bouillon or something lately? Yeah? Sunday feast, huh? 1 quart going in. And we want to get most of our meat in the liquid, but it will pressurize nice. Look at that. A little pepper. Fresh ground pepper. Just refilled it today. Sea salt. And remember, Michelle said we can use pickles too. Pickle juice. Oh, look at that. All right, let me cut them up a little more though.
Oh,
Okay?
they're going to shrink
Yeah.
right there. Okay, with that?
All right. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Ah, mushrooms too.
Yep.
What do you think? One more?
Yeah,
One more.
I would add one more.
One more mushroom.
I'll put the back in.
No, that's too much. There'd be more mushrooms than we need, I think. So remember, I cut these spears up into little pieces, about this big. So, put them in there. Oh, this is gonna give it that little twang without the hot pepperness of the peppercini peppers.
There's
Oh,
another
yeah.
mushroom.
Ooh, go in. Can I eat one of them now?
Sure.
Oh boy, this pickle flavor. This would be good on sandwiches. You got me some rolls, huh? Rolls. We're gonna brown them rolls up a little bit in the toaster oven, maybe, right?
Sure, yeah.
Could put them in your oven, but the toaster oven's more convenient. 1 cup of pickle juice. Thanks for that idea. Look, now the meat is all covered, see? I'm gonna stir that up a little bit. And I like thyme. I've been liking thyme lately because I have nothing but thyme. How much should I put in? As much as I want. Look at that. Oh. That's an excellent flavor. That's about a tablespoon. That smells so good. Sometimes I put thyme on my pizza. Never thought of that. And that's it, I think. Let me stir that a little bit. Gear it up. Gear it up. Oh, you got provolone? Okay,
Yeah.
well, this is going to be in for 90 minutes. Remember, I'm using my Go Wise pressure cooker, but you could use any pressure cooker that you have. This is going to be delicious. Remember all that garlic? 9 cloves. There's a piece. That's going to dissolve nicely. Put the lid on. Make sure you're in impression mode on top, which I am. All right. Pressure time. 2 hours? No. 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's on high already, see? 130. That's all we got to do. Set. One thing I like about the Go Wise, it shows you how much pressure is in there with a gauge. That's the only pressure cooker that I have that does that. All right, we'll be back. Well, halfway through I'll show you the pressure or when it builds up. This is gonna be good. Can't wait, I'm hungry. See how it shows the pressure? Right there's 12 pounds. It goes up to 13, 14. It fluctuates. All right, less than a minute remaining. See, we still have 9.8 pounds of pressure in there. All the goodies are still cooking all around the house. Oh, look at my loaf of bread. Look how good this came out. Whoa. All right, time's up. Now I'm gonna let the pressure release naturally, which might be another 20 minutes. Right now there's pressure in it, listen. Say hi. What are you doing over there?
Hey,
Cooking?
everything smells good.
We're gonna have a feast. So there's my bread. Let the pressure release naturally. Then I'm going to put it in a container here, pull it apart, see how tender it is. Put the au jus juice in there. Make a nice sandwich, put some cheese on it, and stick it in my toaster oven. Broil it a little bit. Think our company was gonna want some of this on top of everything else you cooked?
I think they might like to try it.
Chicken. I see a pineapple there. What's a pineapple in the sink?
We're gonna slice the pineapple too.
And we got some crab soup or something? With little crab meat?
Crab casserole back here in the Hot Logic.
Oh, in the Hot Logic over there.
Yep.
All right. You know we need a bigger kitchen.
Oh my gosh, we got a lot of good food today though.
All right, as the pressure releases naturally, that number's going to drop down. There still might be 1 or 2 pounds in it at the end. That's due to the weight and the volume. Anyway, this is going to be good. Kind of a Mississippi pot roast without the pepperoncinis, but she bought those peppers and I didn't know it. Okay, so they're here, but we'll try it with pickles this time. And you think the pickle juice might make it more tender, right?
Yeah, it should tenderize the meat with the vinegar and
Yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to have a pickly snap to it instead of hot peppers. I'm going to like it. Okay, back soon. Pressure's all the way out. There's still 4.8 pounds in there, but that's just because of the heat and the volume. Whoa. Look at the garlic float to the top. Look at the pickles in there. You didn't know there's pickles in there. Huh. Half of our company came already. This was supposed to be ready. Oh, this is just falling apart. Look.
oh, that's nice.
I have a bin here. I'm going to put it in a little container. Look at this.
Okay, looks
Look.
good.
Let me get this meat out. Oh, there's a bone. Is there a bone in there? Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Oh, look. Oh, no, that's the rack. That's not the bone. Did it shrink?
How about the mushrooms?
Mushrooms, they're in there. This was, what, 2 1/4 pounds? I was going to put the meat in this container so I can pull it apart, but it's pretty much shredding just like that.
Yep.
You think you like this? Huh?
Yeah.
Company?
Mike and Katie are here.
Oh, the Mike and Katie show. Remember them?
Yep.
There's my rack. Here's my rack. Don't talk back. Let me get a spoon. Get some of the good stuff out of there. Mushrooms, pickles. I put pickle juice in there, remember? Garlic. Wow, what a sandwich that's going to make. Might not make many sandwiches, but don't that look good? Does it smell good? Then, look at it all. I'm going to ladle out some of that juice, or au jus, or, ouch, it's hot, dipping liquid into a bowl. And I'm going to either pour that on my sandwich or dip the end of my sandwich in there. I had these bear claws. I thought I was going to need these to tear it apart, but you see I don't. Look. What a roast beef sandwich. More. Okay. Have this roll here. Italian steak roll. What?
Put your juice in the bowl while you're...
Yeah, well, I gotta toast my sandwich. While it's toasting, I'll put my juice in the bowl. Right? Hi. Get all the good stuff. It's exciting, isn't it? Oh, I could put onions in there, right? Couldn't I have? Then I only baked the bread to go with our meal. We're having a big meal I told you about earlier. Look at that. That. Some provolone. Anybody want one, or you want to see how this comes out first? Here we are. This is my Go Wise. Yeah, another Go Wise appliance. My pressure oven. I just want to broil that bread up a little bit there. Stay together, please. Pressure oven. Press the broil button, press start. So that's 20 minutes, 430 degrees. It's only going to take 5 minutes or so. Using the top and the bottom heating element. Oops. All right, that was light. Then I'm going to take a bite of it. I'm going to dip it in my juice. My jus. Let's get some of that out. Hey, ladle. Everybody can have their own bowl to dip in there if they like. Or just pour this over your sandwich on your plate if you want to. Okay, 5 minutes.
How's it look, Mike?
You're gonna be in the video?
How's it look, Mike?
He's confused. Oh, ooh, smell that. Hey, get. How do you stop it? Hear the pressure in there? Ooh.
Let's see it.
See it? It's moving. All right, now I can dip my sandwich in the juice. Look.
Oh.
French dip. I can put it on the plate and pour it on there. That meat is so tender. I taste the pickle juice in there. Better than the hot pepper juice for a while. For me. Thinking of dip. It's gonna be messy, but I like it. Try that if you want to. Look at the rest of our food over here that Kathy's making. One over.
Okay, here we have
Look at
smoked chicken legs with rice.
that.
And here we have smoked chicken thighs with little potatoes.
Where'd you get the smoked meat from?
In Lancaster at Shady Maple store.
Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Got some green beans over here.
Nice green beans with herbs.
Got a crab soup in the Hot Logic, right?
Yeah, it's a nice meal.
Okay, but I had to show you this for today. And when everybody else comes, we're gonna eat all the rest of it. But
Yep.
this is my specialty. Oh, plus I made bread, remember? The bread is just for the meal.
It's cheesy.
So good. Thanks for stopping by. Try that in the pressure cooker. Have a nice day.